Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl with today's Micros Market Recap here at Target Trading Academy. Today is May 9th, just after the New York close, or as it is closing here. Let's get right into it with micro oil. We opened gap down today in oil. Had some selling, but it followed by a quick buying pressure. They just could not get above and could not make it back to the range entirely from Friday or the close, I guess. Huge seller stepping in, and you can just see it drove it down. Several entries available to our students based off of these HVA edges or high volume areas that we have given to our students the night before the next trading ever. Yes, you heard me right. That is the night before. Much like this entry here, monster winner. Oil finishing net down for the day. Also opening gap down in gold. Initial buying pressure. They had some ceiling in front of them that they eventually broke through, not by much, and then the sellers really stepped in and they had tested those levels yet again a couple times. But ultimately, the sellers won today, or the bears, or whatever you want to call them. So net down in gold. Actually, we're net down in all of our markets that we have up here. ES opening slightly below the range from Friday, well below the close. Let me scroll back here for you. And opening pretty much right on that HVA edge that we have. Struggling to get through it. Seller stepping through. It was very volatile this morning. Very thin and whippy. And these moves, you can just see the large bars that are on here. And ultimately, they pretty much just went sideways for a bit, if you think about it. Could not make any new highs, and then ultimately the selling stepped in. You can see it just brought it down, and then they had some retracement. But ultimately, the sellers were just winning out, and they finally broke down even more, making some newer lows for the day. And we finished net down in the ES. Same story, pretty much in the NASDAQ. Opened farther away, though, from its range and close. Not even getting close to the close. Barely touching its range from Friday. But we had some initial buying. Found a little bit of resistance. They retraced, and they finally broke through. But you can see it was very whippy as well. And they had overall sideways action for the first 30 minutes or so. And then finally the sellers kicked it into high gear, and they fought their way to make these new lows, and some retracements as buyers stepped in. But ultimately, the sellers won out today, or the bears for today, and we are finishing net down yet again in our markets or our equities. So if you are interested in finding out more information about our methodologies here, how we trade these markets, especially in these times that are going on right now with high inflation and such, and overall financial concerns from everybody, feel free to reach out to us. And if you want to learn what we do here and how we do it and how you can get these levels onto your chart the night before, again, just feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on our website at targettradingacademy.com, or go to our Facebook page that we have there. Get in touch with a representative at either location, and they will quickly show you what we do each day in our rooms every day. And you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.